we're at the campground today and I'm going to be checking out this East Oak storage box. It's going to be great for our firewood to keep it nice and dry while we're not here. In this video, I'm going to show you what comes in the box, put it together for you, and give you my honest opinion. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. In the box, you're going to have 4 large pieces, 2 small pieces, the owner's manual, which includes the instructions, and then this support bar for the top. This is so easy to put together. You put the sides in to B, make sure that the handles are facing the same way as the up arrow. Then you put the other side on and you just snap it into place by smacking it a few times. Screw the support beam in using the screws provided. Flip the frame upside down. And then align the bottom onto all of the little pegs and press down until you hear them all click. Flip it over, set the top on, and then smack it into place. And there you have it, a finished deck box. The top does not have any slow closing or soft closing hinges, but it does have a pre-drilled hole for a lock. Overall, I am very pleased with how easy this was to put together, how sturdy it is, and that it has pre-drilled holes for a lock.